smoke and heart, stroking apart. Maybe they are rhyming words for poetry, but for smokers, words of caution they are in terms of reality. Health caution, ailments and suffering treat me on par. For the victims, maybe I am a victim of fate, yet I am not an object to hate. Able I am, like any human form. Be not afraid of me, I'm not to harm. Please go not away from my sight. I am positive, so what? Yet I reserve social rights. I want not your attitude to shirk.